Have you been looking for ingredients to make your flawless polishing oil? Oils that will give you a flawless result and will give you a smooth, beautiful skin? Then you definitely want to watch this video till the end to get all the recipes and all the teas that you need to get that flawless skin that you deserve or you desire. Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Khalil. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you ingredients that you can use mixed together to get a flawless, very flawless polished skin, and it's an oil. It's an oil recipe. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your flawless brightening and polishing oil. You can make it into a whitening oil if you want, but I'm going to be showing you ingredients that you can use. I'm not showing you how to make it, but I'm showing you ingredients that you can use to get that flawless result. If you're a Flawless Skin Gang member of this channel and your skin is not flawless, then I don't know what you're doing. So if you want to know about ingredients that you can combine to get flawless oil or to make your own flawless skin oil, you definitely want to watch this video till the end to get that recipe, because I will be putting it in the video as I go ahead. So this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to do it. It's very simple. I'm just going to be talking about ingredients that you can use to get a flawless result. Now, you want to get your coffee oil. Now, coffee is one ingredient that is so underrated and is so super effective in giving you a glowing, bright skin. Buy your coffee, make your own coffee oil by getting almond oil. Pour your almond oil in a bowl, put in your coffee oil and let it sit for 2 days, and then you can use the oil for your skin. Now that's one ingredient. You want to get Beauty Series oil. Beauty Series oil is also a very beautiful oil. It's good for skin glowing. It is a glowing oil. So you want to get Beauty Series oil. You also want to get papaya oil. Papaya oil is one of my all-time favorite. If you can get pineapple oil, that's also very good, but if you can't, you can get papaya oil and also put in this mixture. Now you can also go ahead to add Nature's Secret oil. Nature's Secret oil is another very beautiful oil that is good for skin glowing. It is also good for skin brightening. It will help, give you that very smooth and supple skin. And finally, you want to add your vitamin E oil. Mix everything together and you will have your own flawless glowing skin oil. Now if you want to make this into a whitening oil, very whitening oil, you want to go ahead to add your Sepia white powder and kojic acid powder. Now you can also use kojic dipalmitate instead of kojic acid. I don't know, it stands heat more because you're going to obviously heat these oils to combine and also melt your powders. But if you still want to use kojic acid, you can go ahead to use kojic acid. Just make sure that your water, when you're doing your double boiling method, make sure your water is not boiling, it is just simmering, and that way you get your whitening oil, whitening, body polishing and glowing oil. These are just impromptu videos that I just had to wrap up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. And also leave me a comment down below on videos that you would like to see, and also just leave me a beautiful comment to encourage me, to make more videos. Now we are on our way to our 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who has diligently watched my videos from its beginning to end. Thank you so much. I really, 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 from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate every one of you guys. And I hope that in the future I can make every request that you guys put out. I hope I can. If I can't, I will put the ones that I can out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for commenting. I try as much as possible to reply to every comment as quick as I can. And the ones that I can't reply to, please know that I really have you in my heart, and I appreciate every single one of you that have stayed with me this far. We just started this channel and we're almost at 1,000, so I'm really, really grateful. I can't complain. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. This is a thumbnail. This thumbnail is fine. Let me see. Can my phone capture? Oh no. Okay guys, bye.